Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. We are just taking a quick look at Vechain here, and as we can see, looking like we are continuing to the downside here with another red candle today. Looking like we are engulfing this little bounce that we have seen here so far today at the very least. You can see obviously we've been having a very nice little run to the upside for most cryptos over the past few months, but over the past 2 weeks or so, with Bitcoin running out of a little bit of steam, a little quick look at Bitcoin here will show you that basically, we've come up here, nice move, another overextension, but bearish divergences here. So we've come back down, and now we are just having very low volume days, consolidating, not really much happening in the markets at all. And you can see here Vechain, because of that, is trickling to the downside again. Over the past few weeks, just having a retracement here after this big move to the upside that we have seen. You can see now that we're back inside this range here. We are probably heading back down to that range low that I talked about before, and I will continue to do so. But basically now that we are back inside this range, I will be trading it, like I said, numerous times now until it breaks. This is what I did here. I ended up getting this nice profitable position that I doubled up on. You can see we came up here. I actually took a short position at the rejection, that nice little rejection that we started to see here at that previous support as resistance. But as you can see, that bullish momentum did continue. I got stopped out. We came back inside the range, and then we tested it as support here, which I entered a small long position. We came up, we came back down and retested again, and we got a nice bullish engulfing candle here after retesting that low. So I actually added a lot more to this position, and it came up and smashed the take profit, which was about halfway up the range here, as you can see. I talked about this before in my previous videos, so everyone knows the kind of ways that I am trading these things that I'm talking about. I'm not just actually talking about them and not trading them. And then you can see we came back down, had a nice move to the upside. We got up towards this 0.23 Fibonacci here, but we did get rejected and stuck under it. You can see we back tested, but then got a big wick rejection candle here. And then obviously you can see this bearish engulfing candle with quite a large amount of volume here. We came down, bounced up, and then we have just been continuing to the downside here, looking for a bit of support for Vechain, which I do think is probably going to be at the bottom of the range, isn't it? And it's very, very simple. We are back in a range. We are range bound right now, consolidating and going sideways in the macro scale of things like this. You can see if we zoom all the way out here, all of our bear market to the downsideness going on here. We've obviously had a long consolidation period, this overextension to the downside with the FTX collapse, but really we've come back inside the range, and in my opinion we'll probably just keep going sideways for a good while. And that is how I'll be trading this until we see ourselves proving anything otherwise. So like I said before, I've got long positions ready at the bottom of the range here, short positions ready at the top, until we see ourselves breaking out and back testing in either direction like this and getting a continuation away from the range. I'll be trading it like that. And that is really it for today, guys. There's not that much going on, is there? We're just heading to the downside again here, looking like we've probably lost the E at 55 EMA here, so we could easily come down to the bottom of the range. As I said, once we came down and lost this level here, really we had lost our kind of uptrend, hadn't we? And looking like that deeper retracement to the bottom of the range is quite likely. So that is it for today, guys. As always, thank you very much for watching. Please do like and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to support the channel, please do consider becoming a YouTube member by clicking the join button down below. You'll get access to our private Discord where I'm hanging out, me and other investors are hanging out every single day. So if you do want to get a bit of an edge on the markets and support the channel, that would be a great way to do so. And I'll see you in the next video.